Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Caprese Stuffed Avocados. I love a good stuffed avocado. They make really terrific lunches. Today I'm showing you how to make a Caprese stuffed avocado. So it has a little bit of mozzarella, a little bit of tomato and basil, a little balsamic vinegar on it. Today I'm giving you both a vegetarian option as well as an option with chicken. To start, we'll slice the avocado open lengthwise and remove the pit. Then we're gonna take a spoon and scoop out some of the avocado, but you don't wanna scoop out all of it. You wanna leave a little bit of a wall so that we can use the shell as a bowl and leave a little bit of the avocado flesh in there so you can scoop it out as you're eating it. Now we don't want that avocado to go to waste, so next take a fork and mash up that avocado in a small bowl. Once it's all mashed up, then if you want to add a little protein to your stuffed avocado, you'll add in a little bit of diced chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken, some leftover chicken, or even some canned chicken. Or if you're going vegetarian, you can of course leave that out. Add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then toss this all together. Set that aside for a second and we're gonna dice up some little cherry or grape tomatoes. Then depending on their size, you can either dice them or quarter them, or if they're super small, you can just halve them. And then just toss those in with your chicken and avocado mixture. Next, stack up some fresh basil leaves and then roll them tightly so that you can then slice them into a little chiffonade. You can add that in with the tomatoes and chicken and avocado. Last, we'll add in some little tiny mini mozzarella balls and toss this all together. Then you just spoon this directly into your avocado. Last, just drizzle on a balsamic glaze. Then you are ready to eat. Add a little more salt and pepper to taste and just use a spoon, use the shell as a bowl and scoop it out. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.